Take a ride in the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, rear window defroster, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, towing package. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.